My name is Santanta Bago and I do want to be part of Leaders for a Day program. ESP is very important to me because it provides a certificate that proves real entrepreneurship experience and the ability to start a business. Junior Achievement gave me the chance to understand the business field, generate ideas into action, apply different skills in practical ways, and help the community and the environment. As a leader of my team, I inspire and motivate my mates to be more effective, energetic, innovative in order to fulfill our mission, as well as build relationships with large companies. Passion is the difference between having a job or having a career. Each task is made with passion by me. I love being hardworking and productive. I've worked for 2 years some part-time jobs like event management, insurance agent, and public relations for non-profit organizations. I am the CEO of a startup company which main purpose is creating apps in order to promote the beauties and values of our ancient seaside city.